to 180 degree. 51 that is minus 19, 7 minus 5 29 degree. X is equal to 129 divided by 3, that becomes 43 degree. So this time we will find out the value of x. If two or more rays stand on a straight line, then we can say sum of adjacent angles on the same side of the straight line is equal to 180 degree. So we will use this concept and solve our problems. Now see the next. One figure is given to you like this. X, 3x, 2x, 4x, 10. In this figure, find the value of x, or you can say find the value of each angle. See now, around a point if we take all the angles, if I take this O, then I start from here, then I see that all the angles around a single point. Then all adjacent angles around a single point, then sum of adjacent angles around a point. Sum of adjacent angles around a point is equal to 360 degree. It means 180 degree when we are taking only a straight line. Here we are taking completely round, that around just a point. Then we can say according to this, x plus 3x plus 2x plus 10 degree plus 4x is equal to 360 degree. X plus 3, 4 to 6 or 4, 10. 10x plus 10 is equal to 360 degree. Do transpose. 10x is equal to 360 minus 10, that is equal to 350 degree. Then x value is equal to 350 degree divided by 10, that is equal to 35 degree. This time we will find out the value of unknown angles. Once we find out the value of x, then you can multiply by 3, then you can find out the value of this 3x, then this 2x, and then multiply by 4, then you can find out the value of 4x. Okay, now we will discuss about the exercise. Your exercise 10A. All the questions related to this in the given figure. One question, in the given figure, if angle AOC plus angle BOD is equal to 266 degree, find all angles. Your figure is AOC BOD. Okay, see here. It is given to you in the given figure if angle AOC and angle BOD is equal to 266 degree, find all angles. It means we have to find out these all angles value. AOC, this one all. How to find out? Firstly, see, here is the concept we can use vertically opposite angle. Two lines are intersecting each other, it means they are forming vertically opposite angles are equal. So, we can say in this case angle AOC is equal to angle BOD and angle BOC is equal to angle AOD. Reason is vertical opposite angle. In both cases we already discussed why they are equal. Now see, now put this thing, we can say let angle AOC is equal to angle BOD is equal to x. So put the value in this given condition that AOC plus BOD is equal to 266 degree given. Then x plus x is equal to 266, 2x is equal to 266, x is equal to 266 upon 2, that is equal to 133 degree. Now if AOC 130 degree, it means these two angle values 133 degree. Now how to find out of these two angles value? Angle BOC and angle AOD. How to find out? We know that angle AOC and angle BOC. AOC and BOC. What is the relation between them? That a ray OC stand on a line AOB or AB. Then we can say that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. Then put the value of this. AOC value is equal to 133 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Then angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 133 degree, that is equal to 10 minus 3 7, 7 minus 3 4, that is equal to 47 degree. If the value of angle BOC 47 degree, then angle AOD also 47 degree. Reason is vertical opposite angle, vertically opposite angle. So this time we can find out the value of these unknown angles. Another question, see now. In the given figure, your 13 number question of the book, 10A exercise. In the given figure, angle AOC, if angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 338 degree. Find all the four angles. Your figure is like this, similar figure, A, O, B, C, O, D. Now see in this case, AOC plus BOC plus BOD, it means AOC plus BOC plus BOD. These three angle sum is given to you 338 degrees, and find all four angles. In this case you can see that we can see in figure that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. See, this one is linear pair. Now put the value in this. That is given to you angle AOC plus angle BOC plus angle BOD is equal to 338 degree. Then sum of these two angle is 180 degree plus angle BOD is equal to 338 degree. Angle BOD is equal to 338 minus 180. It becomes 13 minus 8. 5, 2 minus 1, 158 degree. What is the value of BOD? 158 degree. If it is 158 degree, then we know that angle BOD is equal to angle AOC also 158 degree. Reason is vertically opposite angle. Or if it is 158 degree, then we know that angle AOC plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Then this is 158 degree plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Then angle BOC is equal to 180 minus 158, 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus 5, 2. That is equal to 22 degree. Or if it is 22 degree, then this one also 22 degree, because they are vertically opposite angle. So this type we will solve these type of linear pair questions. 1, 2 more questions we will solve now. One more question, see. AD bisect angle CAB. AD bisect angle CAB. If angle CAD is equal to 8x plus 6 degree and angle DAB is equal to x plus 20 degree, find the value of x. It is given to you this figure. CAB DAB. In this figure, AD bisect angle CAB. AD bisect angle CAB, it means this one angle CAB. AD bisect angle CAB. It means bisect means it is dividing into two equal parts. If CAD is equal to 8x plus 6 and DAB is equal to x plus 20 degree. AD bisect CAB, it means angle CAD is equal to angle DAB. We can say these two angles are equal, is equal to half of the angle of CAB. Now it is given to you CAD 8x plus 6 and DAB x plus 20. Solve it. 8x minus x is equal to 20 minus 6. 7x is equal to 14. X is equal to 14 by 7, that is equal to 20 degree. Now put the value in this and find out this complete angle. 8x plus 6, 20 into 8, 160 plus 6, 160, sorry, this is 2 degree, not 20 degree. Then it become 8 into 2 plus 6, 8 to the 16 plus 6, 22 degree, and this is also 2 plus 20, 22 degree. So bisect means it divides, this line divides this complete angle into two equal parts. So this type we will solve this question. And now today you will complete your exercise 10A according to these examples. Thank you.